On mange des protéines.
Avec quoi? T'as mangé quoi?
Tout ça, là, c'est du sucre. Mais avec la protéine, ça aide pour que le sucre ne monte pas si vite.
Always get scared when I open my weather forecast app because I always assume that when it's going to rain, it's going to rain. I recently came back from Vietnam, where rain means that you are going to be drenched, okay? You better take a towel because you are going to be soaking afterwards. It's literally going to shower over you. But in Madrid, or in Spain in general, when it rains, it usually means that there's going to be a sprinkle. It's 3 different drops and that's it. Each time I see the weather forecast app and I see the little icon of it raining, I always get scared that my day is going to ruin. I'm not going to be able to walk around the city as much as I want to. And then afterwards, the rain comes and it's 3 different drops. And I'm like, oh, wait, that's what they consider rain. It's deceiving. This type of icon is just too threatening to be using it for something as mild as Madrid rain. Okay, so well, this is what happens when you're a little cocky piece of shit like I am. Just because earlier I was talking about how non-threatening Madrid rain is, and then suddenly God was like, you know what? You want to question my powers? Let me give you enough rain so that you can complain about. Now, this is definitely more than normal Madrid rain. There's actual drops happening a lot. I would definitely need an umbrella right now, but it's not enough that I would, oh my god, I feel now it's actually getting more intense the more I talk about how non-threatening Madrid rain is. You know what, God? You're not gonna win this, because guess what? This is not enough for me to be threatened by the weather. I feel it's going to get better anytime soon. I feel also me saying that is going to make it worse. Oh yes, it's definitely worse. I can definitely feel it. Okay, it's definitely more intense than like a few seconds ago. Maybe I should stop talking to like improve my chances of the weather getting better so that I could actually have the opportunity of walking around the city without it raining everywhere, especially because I don't have an umbrella right now. Actually, I did have an umbrella, but then I lost it, as always. Umbrellas should be like not as expensive just because I keep buying it and somehow I keep losing it. I don't know why. Don't question the weather in Madrid, or like don't insult the weather just because it definitely can get worse like it is right now. So looks like we won the rain game, because literally seconds ago I was talking about how it's more intense because I was discrediting how intense Madrid rain can be. Guess what? It's back to normal. There is no rain. Madrid rain is nothing. Madrid rain is just a speckle. It's insignificant because it is how to say this, powerless against me. My dad and I, we say it's a really good thing whenever we go to a business, because whenever we go to a business, we're always like the first one there, and then afterwards there's like a bunch of people that always go in. I feel like we are good luck for any business that has us as clients.